If you don't have more money to invest in crypto, you just need to find this kind of program for you to earn money and invest in your preferred token. And I'll walk you through the full process. Make sure you stick to the end of this video. I've been accumulating some points in this event, and right here so far I have a around 50 points because I saw this late, and I started farming this point right here. I think it's worth it. I spent less than 100 and less than 50 cents or less than $1 every day on each 100 points. And right here, for you to join this event, use my invitation code right here. The invitation code, I will leave it on the screen, and if you use my invitation code, you will receive a welcome point. And yes, let me walk you through how you increase your chance of getting more points. And I'll go back right here, show you the points, how receiving like the point I've accumulated so far. I receive averagely 100 points every day in swapping transaction. So you want to do this, come over here. Once you've used my invitation link or code, sorry rather, and you use the swap option, you have to send a minimum of at least $50 or $100 into your Bitget wallet. And you need to download this. Once you set up your account, use my invitation link and send your asset to this wallet right here, and you will need to use this function right here, trade, and swap this token front and back, because you just want to swap, you are not trading. If you want to use this as your day-to-day trading option, is possible, because they have various of token listed on this wallet right here, or in this wallet right here. And for me, I just use this option. I'll swap this $100 worth of this token to it right here, and after this transaction go through, I will change it again and swap this token for phantom token, and I will wait for next day to do the same process. And that's how I manage to acquire this 100 points every day. So you can use this method also. The most important thing, you use this wallet for interaction, and right here, hold, trade, or invite to win these points. And there is this fear pool right here. Invite your friend to join BwB airdrop campaign and win juicy reward up to $500. So this event is going to run for 5 days. You just need to press this pool right here, and season 8, there is this every season 1, season 2, season 3, every week per week. So you need to interact with this. Once you press this, it will take you to your X account to post, to make a tweet about this event, and invite your new users to this campaign. You get points doing this. And remember, use my invitation codes right here when you are signing up your account. This is my invitation code. I'll leave it on the screen. So you use this and receive a welcome bonus, and make use of this app, hold, trade, and invite friends, so you accumulate more points and redeem your points to new token when they launch their token right here. And that's basically what you need to do. I've been participating in this fair launch program right here, fair launch pool. So at the end of the day, I will see how much I managed to make in this program. So if you don't have more money to invest in crypto, you just need to find this kind of program for you to earn money and invest in your preferred token you want to buy. If you don't have enough money to start investing in crypto, this mode is going to help you accumulate more money for you to be able to invest in your desired token or any token you want to invest in. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe and turn up your notification bell. See you on the next video.